Think your toilet is the dirtiest thing in your house? Think again. Your kitchen sponge. Yes, that innocent little tool by the sink is a bacteria bomb. While we clean our toilets regularly, many of us use the same sponge for months. But here's the shocking truth. In just 14 days, your sponge becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, 200,000 times more than what's in your toilet. Why? A sponge stays wet, absorbs food particles, and never truly dries out. It's the perfect home for germs. Solution? Replace your sponge every 2 weeks and sanitize it daily. Protect your health where it matters most, your kitchen. Don't let the smallest things bring the biggest problems.